I'm going to show you how to add checklist in Trello. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. So just go ahead and tap on your boards and open the board where you want to add the checklist. So you can see this option of add card right over here. Just go ahead and select that, and now right next to it you can see this expand button. Just go ahead and tap there again, and now in quick actions you can see options like add checklist, custom fields, add attachment, and members. Just go ahead and tap on add checklist, and now you can just add items. You can add a different item over here too, and now just tap on save. And on the top right corner you can see this plus button. Tap here and tap on add checklist, and if you go back you would notice that you have successfully added the checklist in Trello. So there you go.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.